It's a great Sunday, and this is our first vlog. This is
First vlog
2021,
of 2021.
and hope this year this is not like 2020. So
Hope
we,
it's filled with lots of travel and exploring and fun.
yeah. So we are today heading towards a beautiful place which is there in Kawardha district of Chattisgarh. I'll just show you the view, how it is.
It's an amazing place amid all the forest and water and everything. And this place is called Ranidahra.
Yeah, so it's Ranidahra waterfalls in Kawardha district of Chattisgarh. So about the location, it falls in between a highway which leads from Kawardha to Jabalpur. So you have to take a turn after a village called Bodla. 7 kilometers inside, you have to take an off-road towards right after village Bodla, and then you'll get this waterfall.
There are not much people over here. There are around 400 stairs to climb up to the waterfall. Let's see how it ends up.
Yeah.
Hope it's exciting and good.
And the best part about this place is there is less crowd. That's what is required right now. And you can see how beautiful this place is. I'll just turn off my camera once more. See how beautiful. So this is our first footage of the fall, and it's quite beautiful.
This is actually the first stage of the waterfall, can say, or the second, because we are not able to see the route of the waterfall that is down. But let's see, we'll explore it when we get down. But as of now, it is the first stage, and it's
And there are 4 waterfalls which are on the way.
Yeah,
This is the first one.
it's the first one.
We will again show from the background. There are some people who are enjoying taking bath. This is how the water goes.
And it's coming somewhere from there.
Yes. Okay, so see how clear the water is. There are some people who are jumping and swimming. This is so damn cold. The water is so damn cold. Beautiful place. The water is very pure.
And it's very clear and very chilled. It's like an amazing experience. People are having a dive and everything.
So I'll just show you the view. You can see how clear, how pure the water is. Just a moment. See, there are other people who are diving as well.
Oh, the free falling thing. So it has been a really good experience. The fall was not that good,
But the water was clean.
water was
pure.
clean and it was very pure
And cold too.
and very cold, but it felt really good. And the flow was not very much. Maybe in monsoons it will be really beautiful, but we actually enjoyed it.
So this was it, folks. Hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have any suggestions to give. Thank you, goodbye, and take care.